So today guys, we will just do stir-fried eggplants. Our ingredients: canned tomato, fresh from our garden. No, canned tomato from our garden. We canned it. It's 2019. Yeah, eggplant, garlic, onion, and here is ground beef. So the ground beef is already marinated with salt and pepper, and now we're frying that one. Now we're ready to put our onion. Putting our onion. After that, we're adding our garlic. So now the onion is a little bit cooked. Now we're adding our garlic. We will not let's just stir like that for the garlic. We will not burn that one. Then we will add our eggplant. So I drained the eggplant because you need to put that one in the water so that the eggplant will not become brown. So we add there, and now we're adding also our tomato. I did not put all of the tomato, so we will stir, and then we will do low heat. Then we will cover that one. So that's it guys. I will cover, and like 2 to 3 minutes, I think it's done. After 3 minutes, we will stir. It's not yet done, the eggplant, so we will just low heat and cover again. And after another 3 minutes, we will stir. The eggplant is almost done. Yeah. We just cover again. I did not stir too much, so the eggplant is almost done. It's ready when the eggplant is cooked already, right? Oops. So we will check. Yeah, our eggplant is already cooked guys. So our recipe is already ready. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Please subscribe, comments, share and likes, and hit the bell button for the notification for any new videos. God bless us all. Maraming salamat. Thank you a lot. Bye-bye. And this recipe guys, if you are fond of spaghetti, you can add this one into your spaghetti.